Of all the pests that Black Knight takes care of, rats are the ones I hate the most. They're dirty, they poop and pee all over themselves, and they make a mess of everything they touch, not to mention the damage they can cause. Electrical wiring is often coated, and they enjoy the taste of that, so they end up chewing on your equipment and damage your property just existing in and around your home. And you'll notice on the inside, lawnmower, weed whacker, and other personal stuff, that this shed has not become a home for rodents yet. But what you will notice around the shed is that there are rats getting underneath the shed. The problem that we're having with this one is because of the mulch, the traps are not working. Anytime the rats have come out from underneath this where they're burrowing and nesting, they run into the bottom corner of the trap, and that jostling sets it off before the trap can catch a rat coming and going. So the proper solve here would be to physically install a barrier that took the siding all the way to the ground, but that's going to require taking out all the mulch, redoing the grading, which might interfere with water drainage, and it's incredibly costly. But in this setting, a bait station becomes a great treatment option because our chemical is inside of this, not accessible to cats, kids, or anybody coming and going. The rodents will come here, feed on the bait, and then they go back home. And oftentimes they will die inside of their burrow, which means we're not worried then about a cat or a bird of prey eating the rat after our bait has successfully taken care of the problem. Another reason you want to take care of a rat problem around your home immediately is because of the various things that rats will spread to you in your home. We talked about some of the physical damage that they can do, chewing on wires, pipes, anything like that. But also rats are incredibly dirty, that when the rat population has Black Plague or the Bubonic Plague, at a certain percentage, it will transfer from people, or from rats to people. Also, rats carry other diseases. It's not very common to see, but they can be a carrier for rabies, and Hantavirus can transmit from rodents to humans because a rat and its droppings left in places like your pantry, your kitchen, or somewhere that didn't get cleaned properly can then infect people. If you've seen the news recently, they talked about Hantavirus spread on a ship, and that one strain can go from person to person in close proximity. The problem is rats are neophobic and nocturnal. Neophobic means they don't like new things. So when they get into a place and the smells change, they don't like the changes that happen. They don't like new things coming around their homes. But when they are established in your home, they're going to be active when you're asleep. So you're going to hear scratching in the middle of the night, and you're going to notice them running and coming and going at the hours you're trying to rest and recover. Those are the times they can get into places like your pantry, your oven, your dishwasher, and use anything they can find to try and make a nest or eat any crumbs inside your kitchen. So a pest service is going to try and take care of a problem on the outside of your home, and we want to prevent them from getting in your home because we don't want you to get Hanta, Rabies, the Black Death, or anything else that's just gross with rats getting into your home. If you're experiencing a pest problem, give us a call. Our phone number is 951-694-8100, or you can click the link below and we'll have a technician come out and give you a free estimate to help you take care of your pest problems today.